This is the LOL puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Frederick Boucher and made by Pelican. Difficulty level of the LOL puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is quite interesting, since this puzzle has two absolutely different puzzles. The first one, and the main one, is to make acronym LOL using 5 parts. So, for example, if you put these parts together, you make letter O. Maybe if you put something like, let's see how to make it, something like that, you maybe it will be possible to make letter L or something, but it is only one letter. There is not enough parts to make LOL sign. The second goal is to fit all these 5 parts inside of the box, which is absolutely impossible at first glance. It may look easy. You put parts inside, but you will end up with at least one piece that sticks out. And to fit all of them inside the frame will be quite a tricky challenge, since there is a very sneaky trick hidden in this puzzle. If you like the LOL puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first I'll start with the main challenge, make the acronym LOL. As you can see, there are only 5 parts here, as I already mentioned. It seems impossible to make 3 letters. You can kind of make 1, maybe 2. So we will start with this part, and we put it like that on a desk. The second one will go like that. I will show you the result then. I will put it flat on a desk, but it is solved in a vertical position of the parts. So this goes like that. Then we grab another piece like that, put it here. This one goes on top and it makes another letter L. But this part is the trickiest one, since what you have to do now is to put this piece on top of this piece. But here is the thing, it always falls down. It is not sitting well. The trick here is that this is not just a regular piece of wood. This side of it is a little bit heavier than this one. And when you put it like that, it always drops down. But if you put the heavier side on this piece, it stays in place perfectly well. And then when you put the parts together, you will create the LOL sign. Maybe you don't see it right now, but if I put it flat on a desk like that, and just imagine that there is a table right here, it creates LOL. And that is the solution of the main goal of the puzzle, make acronym LOL. The trick here is in this piece, since if you put it in a wrong way, it always falls down and you won't be able to make the correct solution. But when you flip it, this part is heavier and it sits perfectly well on top. The second goal of this puzzle is to fit all 5 parts inside the frame, which is absolutely impossible at a first glance, since the solution will look following way. You have to fit the parts inside like that. But once you start solving it, you will notice that this piece is absolutely impossible to fit inside. Like, you can drop it in like that, then you have to rotate it, but the piece has exactly the same size as the width of the box inside, and you won't be able to put it down. As you can see, it goes from this corner up here, and then it's not enough space for the rest of the parts. So trick here is hidden inside of the box. I don't know if you can see it. There is a small cutout somewhere here inside of the box. You don't see it. Maybe if there is more light, you will be able to see it. I can see it right there inside. So what you have to do is to put the piece like that. Then you try to rotate it inside and make sure that this end of the piece goes into that cutout, and then it is just enough space to put it flat on the bottom of the box. Then you put this large piece, then you put one of these small parts and to the right and drop it down. Then you grab this piece, put it inside and to the right, and then the last piece goes inside, and the puzzle is solved. All the parts are inside of the box, no parts are sticking out, and that was the solution for the LOL puzzle. Great puzzle with a little bit sneaky solution for the box, and actually the main challenge, make the LOL acronym, is quite sneaky as well, because of one piece that looks absolutely normal, but it is hidden, it hides a secret inside. So if you like the LOL puzzle or want to try some other great puzzles designed by Frederick Boucher or made by Pelican, go to puzzlemaster.ca.